Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing my weekly kitchen deep cleaning. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Sonia and would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I post these type of videos once or twice a week alongside with DIYs, travel, cooking, hauls, decorating, a little bit of everything for everyone.
Lights flash in the dark, I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready.
You can also find me on Instagram as well as Facebook under Domestic Diva 76, so the same handle name. On Instagram I post mostly everyday happenings, so you get to kind of see a preview of videos that are coming up. I also share my exercise routine with everyone.
For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would
Usually start the cleaning with cleaning up the dishes that are in a sink or loading the dishwasher, whatever dirty dishes that there are. And then I move on to my stove and I remove the grills and clean them up just with soap and water. And then I use the Method deep degreaser for my the top and just a yellow sponge to clean it all up. For the grills, they are cast iron, so I just use soap and water.
and we'll be shooting stars. And you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking.
Then I move on to my microwave where I add a glass of water and I boil it for a minute or so just to loosen up everything inside. I use Method stainless steel cleaner to clean all my small and large appliances. I also clean my coffee maker. I have a grinder on my coffee maker that needs to be cleaned out and I like to do it weekly. So I clean out the grinder and I wash every part of the coffee maker. Then I move on to cleaning up the small appliances. I use just a random microfiber cloth and a Method stainless steel cleaner, and on the inside of the microwave I wipe down all the water because it does boil over a little bit, and then I just spray it with a Method all-purpose cleaner.
Me falling fast, falling fast. I'm falling. Give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. Give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up.
For the countertop I use Method all-purpose cleaner in a lime scent. And I like to move almost everything off of my counter when I do my deep cleaning so I can get it cleaned up very well. And sometimes I will leave the all-purpose cleaner sit on the counter for a little bit just to loosen up all the dried on stuff if there is any. For the cabinets I use Method wood cleaner, not the polisher but the wood cleaner, and I like to clean my cabinets once a week. I just think it gives them a fresh smell so they don't smell like from all the cooking that happened that week. I typically clean my sink with baking soda and some essential oil, lemon essential oil, but this time I ran out of baking soda, so I just used the dish soap and the same yellow sponge and just gave it a good clean, and then I'll re-clean it once I get the baking soda. I find the baking soda does a really good job in getting all that, even the yellowing of the sink, really clean and leaves it all nice and sparkly. I love it when my kitchen is nice and clean. It's like a breath of fresh air for me. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, like I said, I would love for you to consider subscribing. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.